Welcome! Today, we'll take you through a detailed, step-by-step guide to launching a virtual machine on Microsoft Azure. Virtual machines are one of the most versatile tools in cloud computing, perfect for hosting applications, testing software, or building scalable environments. Consider a scenario where a person wants to deploy a virtual machine in the cloud. Azure makes this process straightforward and efficient. With Azure's intuitive portal, pre-built templates, and robust customization options, deploying a virtual machine in the cloud is accessible to anyone, from beginners to experienced IT professionals. Azure ensures that the process is fast, reliable, and secure, empowering users to focus on their applications and workloads. The benefits of using Azure VM are cost efficiency, seamless scalability, full integration with Azure services like AI databases and analytics. How to launch. Before we start, here's what you'll need. An active Azure subscription. Basic familiarity with the Azure portal interface. Optional tools like Azure CLI or Powershell for advanced users. Let's jump in and look at how you can deploy your first virtual machine in Azure. First, head to the Azure portal at portal.azure.com and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, find the Virtual Machines option, click on it. From here, we can select the subscriptions available. Right now, I'm selecting the free tier 4. In Azure, we can deploy resources under a specific resource group. Since no resource group is currently available, I am creating one, and this VM will be placed under that resource group. Next, I am providing a name for this VM. Let's name it Test VM. Then, select the region, availability zone, and security type. Currently, I am selecting all the default options, but you can modify them according to your needs. For the server, I am selecting Ubuntu version 22.04. From here, you can choose the specifications of the server. You can also check the price details for each. Here, I am selecting SSH key-based login for the server, but you can also choose the password option. You can download the SSH key and use it later, along with the username as your user, for logging in. That's it. Now select the Review and Create option. Download the key to your local machine, which is needed to connect to the VM. Wait for a few seconds. Now the resource deployment is complete, and we can check the status of the resources we created. From here, we can stop or start the server as needed. Copy the public IP address in order to connect to the VM. And that's it, a complete walkthrough to launching a virtual machine on Microsoft Azure. If this guide helped you, give us a like and subscribe for more cloud computing tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.